quieter, hopefully.
Well, I think the next couple of mornings, Cece, we will see more of that fog, and that's thanks to, well, not only how wet it's been so far this month, but we still have quite a bit of moisture near the ground, and so I do think that we're going to see more of the foggy conditions over the next couple of days, so just keep that in mind. By the way, much of the state, especially southern Minnesota, saw some sizable hail, and what you're looking at is a graph that combines hail size with updraft speed. Basically, the speed of that updraft, that rising motion in a thunderstorm that you need to generate various hail sizes. And you can see some of the smaller hail sizes like penny-sized hail and quarter-sized hail. You need wind speeds, sustained updraft speeds between about 40 and 50 miles per hour. However, we saw baseball-sized hail yesterday. Look at this. You need at least an 80-mile-per-hour updraft speed to sustain that baseball-sized hail. Those are the types of storms that we had to deal with yesterday. Thankfully, things much quieter today. Still some lingering cloudiness, though the foggy conditions have certainly left us and temperatures are starting to warm up slowly. Right now it's 56 degrees. Dew points still on the tad muggier side. We're at 50 degrees right now, and that added moisture in the atmosphere as well is also adding to our foggy conditions over the next couple of mornings. 56 here. We're still in the 30s up across northern Minnesota. Still plenty of snow on the North Shore right now, so temperature is quite a bit cooler the further north you go, and things are quiet on our radar satellite composite. Some lingering rain showers and a few thunderstorms exiting the Arrowhead right now, but that frontal system that did provide southern Minnesota with the heavy rain and thunderstorms yesterday is still kind of in our vicinity, but it's way down to our south right now. Areas from Iowa through parts of Wisconsin, they're forecast to see additional thunderstorms today. Another enhanced risk for severe weather that stretches from Des Moines through the Quad Cities area, through Madison, and even Chicago has a chance of seeing some big-time hail and potentially even a couple of tornadoes as well. That threat stays well away from us here in the Twin Cities. Far southeastern Minnesota, we're talking the Spring Grove area down towards La Crosse. There's a small chance for an isolated thunderstorm or two later today, but most of us are going to stay dry the next couple of afternoons. That's what Microcast has in store for us. Partial clearing later in the day today. Otherwise, fog redevelops as we head into your Wednesday morning. And I do think some areas across far southern Minnesota could see some showers late tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. But we're thinking most of that's going to stay across the Minnesota-Iowa border, the I-90 corridor down towards Rochester. Most of us should see pretty much dry weather through the remainder of the week until we get to Friday. Forecast today, some sunshine. We'll call it 68 degrees for a high. That's if we do see enough sunshine, so we'll see how much we get. We should be in the upper 60s through Wednesday before a warmer end to the week. Mid-70s both Thursday and Friday. And as a strong frontal system approaches from the west on Friday, some afternoon and evening thunderstorms are possible to wrap up the work week. That'll be followed by a sharp cool down. And yes, a little rain-snow mix possible as we wake up Saturday morning, but right now accumulation looks minimal.